Hi, welcome. Glad you could join. My name is RB and I'm the Savvy Programmer. Have you ever wondered how to create an iOS app? Have you ever wondered what the process is to create this app and put it in the App Store and become the next billionaire, millionaire, or even change your career to an iOS developer? Well, my tutorials will teach you step by step how to create an iOS app, an iOS game, and show it to all your friends and make your own app. So my process is all about learning Xcode first, which is the integrated development environment that helps you create your own app. And then I'm going to teach you auto layout. Auto layout is the layout architecture for an iOS app that lets you build for different devices and sizes. And then I'm going to start teaching you Swift 5, which is the development language for iOS. You can actually create your own, very own app. I'm going to also teach you about audio, sound, animation. You will have all the tools necessary. And welcome to my class.